to break out my other flashlight.
Housekeeping.
Lots of things to rip your head off there. Dangling from the ceilings. It's eerily quiet too. They covered up the glass?
Yes, they covered up these glass.
Why would you cover up the glass?
Like, see, look at the glass, guys. All these glass, they've got boards.
Stop calling me right now. I'm busy, dude. Seriously. There's some broken glass.
Over to the top.
Huh? It's really windy right here. Holy crap. Oh. Hold on a minute. Did you see the Pac-Man that said go back?
No.
Oh, look at that. This is the first we've seen the archways like this.
Exploring with Bonnie's right here.
Oh, this is the office tower part. Aren't these the stairs? Hey, here's the stairs.
Okay. Admiring the...
I think they're over here. I hear them. I thought I heard somebody talking.
Yeah, I thought I heard people talking.
They're downstairs. Oh wow, look at the ceiling. Wow, look at this. What's in here though? Huh? I don't know. I don't see a way up. Maybe if we go down though. Let's go down and then see. Wow. Oh my gosh, look down there. Oh.
I'm assuming they're safe.
I think these ones are pretty good.
I guess if they're not, we'll find out.
Wow. Look at the railing they used to have. Now it's mostly gone. Look at this. I guess that's the wind. I could be wrong. I think that was the wind, but I could be wrong. I said I think that was the wind, but I could be wrong. I can't tell exactly where they are. I can hear them talking. That's the main entrance there, I would assume. Wow. See, this was where Ruin Road made it to, and then, like, that was it. Oh, look at the entrance. Look at this entrance. Wow. I don't know if that's like it. Those are old TVs, it looks like. Look at the paneling on this. Walls. Hold on a minute, look. Where are you? Where are you? Bonnie. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, there's a little cubby hole on the other side, too. Yeah, there's a little cubby hole on the other side. Ooh. What is it, a secret passageway? To what? Maybe that's the heating area. I was going to tell you to check out the little cubby hole on the other side. But you were checking out that one. I feel like a big TV hung down there at one time. Let's go to both. Yeah. Think of all the people that used to work here. I guess not. Check out the other side and see what's over there. I don't know. I don't know how to get up there. There's got to be a way up there, but I don't know. There's like an old wooden something. This must have been the reception desk or something here. Look at how cool that looks. Even with the decay and damage, it looks pretty awesome. Let me get out of your way. The other side of the desk. Do these drawers open? Some of the drawers still open. There's a... Maybe, maybe not. Look. There's a hallway. What is this? Is this taking us back around to where we were? Is this taking us back around? Yeah, behind the elevator where we came from. Hello. Are these the stairs we came down?
No.
Oh. What is this?
These stairs that go outside.
Oh. Do we want to go outside yet?
Well, let's go over there if we want to find a courtyard.
I know, but maybe from out here we can find a way over to the courtyard.
Okay.
I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. Let's just go out here for a second. Okay, so this is exactly where we came in. So this is where one of the missing set of stairs were. As you can see, not there anymore. Okay, whatever Bonnie said I had to come over here because this was cool.
I don't know if this is a cool one. I thought this was the cool one. Maybe this one is the cool one.
I'm pretty sure it's still a cool one.
I thought it was the cool one. Darn it.
Well, if we keep walking down that hallway we were in, we'll find the cool one, right?
Oh well.
Well, we keep walking down the hallway, we'll find the cool one. Because it's got to be right off of these.
We're gonna want to come back and go down that little thingy.
Oh, do we want to go down that now?
Let's find a courtyard.
Another courtyard?
I just want to find that courtyard.
Okay. So we missed a couple courtyards when we were walking through the first time somehow. What was that? They had lots of TVs. I don't know if we've seen this area before.
No, I don't see this area.
Because we weren't on this side, right?
No.
There's a thing of... Oh wait, what's this? Application for something card. Ooh, these are actually filled out. New employee badge, renewal badge. This was Douglas Watson's. Oh wow. Did you see that? Hold on, let me see this one. Oh wow. This is all of their applications. Dated, wait, what? Oh, it's telephone. Applications for badge numbers or something. Employee badge. Dated 1997. Wow. Oh geez, look, there's so much hallway. I know, courtyard. We're focusing on courtyard. Yeah, we're almost to it. Oh wow. That one looks really overgrown.
This is the one I saw from up there.
Okay. What?
Just look at the vines. But what I wanted to see is right there. See those thingies right there? Those metal things? Can you see them through there? They're right there.
Wait,
They
hold
look
on.
like rails you would pull out. Like you would
Oh.
slide stuff down. They're
Yeah,
sticking
yeah.
out the side of the door.
Oh.
This one's curved to go that way. And this one's like straight across.
Look at this. There's a big hole.
Yeah, it is a big hole.
So those are like the wheelie things like you would pull out if you were getting a truck at like a store. Almost.
But
That's kind of
where's
like
it
what it
going
looks
to?
like.
Is it going down to over here?
No, maybe you just pull it down from over there on the wall to here, and then you pull it in here.
That's what I wanted to see. Those things. Thought I could get a better look at them, but I guess not. Now here you have to be careful.
That one's sticking out in a dangerous manner.
You would knock yourself out for sure.
The whole bob and weave. And
Yeah,
what is that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh wow, look there. At that courtyard. We need to come over here, but I want to see what this stuff is
Yeah, a
here.
whole lot of fun. And nothing better for the
I think I want to look in there too.
out there where, you know, parked on a weird street in the middle of Detroit.
There's a big
I
tire.
don't think I've taken nearly as much pictures as I think they've been skateboarding in here.
Oh, it's set up for skate.
Yeah, I think they're skateboarders.
I mean, it's a good place to set up for skateboarding. Here's an old table. Courtyard again. Yeah, somehow we passed a lot of the courtyards. This is insane. There's so much to see. Fasteners, Honda Ridge line. Bonnie. Ooh, what do we have here? Diagnostic and testing for seating. Ooh, here's another book. That's a telephone book. Look at this.